In this e-learning, we're going to show you how to do cloud server connections for Apple Mac computers and also mobile devices. That applies the same rule. The first thing in your Mac or Apple device, we're going to ask you to go to the Apple Store. If you have Android or other devices, go to the Google app or your App Store. Type in the remote desktop, and as soon as you get the remote desktop, select the latest version for the Microsoft Remote Desktop. When you run the app, after installing, first thing is to run the app, and on the top of that app, you're going to find a little dashboard with a plus where you can start adding cloud servers for your remote desktop connection list. When you click on the plus, you're going to see a form to enter the PC name. That PC name is going to be provided, is the computer name or IP address provided by one of our WO6 option technicians. The friendly name, it's something that, more friendly like WO6 option cloud server. And we recommend for you to disable the reconnect if connection is dropped. So just uncheck that one, which means the computer will not keep trying over and over and over if you don't have an internet connection. After doing that settings, next step is going to be to click on the display tab. And it's a matter of preference. You can use the default for your display or set up a particular custom resolution from the drop-down list box. As well as with the check boxes, you can set up your preferences. In my case, I like to use all monitors, and I start with full screen and fit session. In other words, my preference is to have all these three check boxes set. Next, devices and audios means if you want in your local Mac computer to use the printer, smart card, microphone, cameras, whatever you have hooked up to the local computer, if you check these boxes, the plug and play settings are going to be transferred to the cloud server. So whatever you print out of the cloud server is going to go to the printer that is connected to your Mac computer and so on. And finally, in the folders, it's the place where you can redirect your folders. You check that box to redirect folders and you click on the plus. By clicking on the plus, the Mac computer is going to allow for you to determine which folder in your local Mac computer you want to sync or make available to exchange files with the cloud server. This is the option that will allow you to move files from the cloud server into your local computer and vice versa, from your local computer into the cloud server. As you click on the plus and you enter the folder, the add button on the bottom lights up, and you will be able to add that particular folder to your list. Just save your properties. Once that's done, from the list you double click and you're ready to go, and the cloud server is going to pop up. So today you learned how to set up cloud server connections for a Mac or Apple device computer, likewise other devices like Androids and such. So thanks for watching.